This video is going to explain how to use dynamic pricing in Proshop Tee Times. This is an empty tee sheet. If we hover over the start side, we will see the rack rate is $60. If we scroll down to the 2:30 tee time, we see the color change. This indicates the rack rate has changed. In this case, it changed to $50. At 5 p.m., it changes again to twilight rates. Since there are no bookings, dynamic prices have been reduced by 30%. A customer calls and books 16 players starting at 10:10. The next time the dynamic pricing algorithm runs, it will realize 67% of the tee times in this hour are taken. It will recalculate the prices for this hour. Notice the current rate is recorded next to the player's name, so they will be billed correctly. If you click Admin menu, then click Rate Schedules, you will see 8 different rate schedules. In this example, we have weekday peak season, weekend peak season, and 6 other schedules. Each schedule can have up to 4 different rate periods. Here, the weekday peak season starts the day with a weekday 18-hole rate of $60, senior rate of $40, and 9-hole rate of $35. The matinee rate starts at 2:30. It has rates of $50, $40 for seniors, and $30 for 9 holes. The twilight rate starts at 5 p.m. and has its own rates. Click on the WE Peak Season button to see the next rate schedule. You can easily change the rate schedule name. Click OK to save your changes. From the tee sheet, click Daily Notes to see what rate schedule a day is using. You can easily change a day's rate schedule. For example, you may want to charge weekend rates on Labor Day. To modify dynamic pricing calculations, click Admin menu, then click Dynamic Pricing Schedule. You can define a different formula for the current day plus the next 14 days. Here we are looking at 0 days out. During the 6 a.m. hour, if our tee time utilization is less than 11%, we will dynamically reduce the rack rate price by 30%. To change the 6 a.m. discount when percentage booked is 31 to 40%, simply enter the new discount percentage. To see the formula for another day, click 1 day out, or 2 days out, or any other button. You can copy the formula from day to day. Select a day, click Copy. Select a different day, click Paste. When you're done, click Close. When we double-click the customer, a sale will start. The default 18-hole cart will be added at its default price. The internet round will also be added with a calculated price that is the dynamic price minus the cart price. Taxes will be added when appropriate. The dynamic pricing program recalculates pricing every 15 minutes. It has been a few minutes since we added 16 players to the tee sheet. Notice the dynamic price for the 10 o'clock hour has automatically changed from $42 to $63. The tee time audit log shows players were added at 12:53, and the dynamic price was changed from $42 to $63 at 12:57. To learn more about dynamic pricing, call or email Jay.